This is the legendary Kashgar Market. For the past 2,000 years, people from all over the world have come here to trade everything from fur to silk and food. And today, the market still stands as the largest in Central Asia. So let's see what they have for sale today.
Exotic fruits, colorful fabrics, and alluring artwork. All of this and more can be found in the Kashgar Market. The market stands at around 166,000 square meters, barely enough to hold around 5,000 booths and stalls. The market can hold crowds reaching 100,000 and boasts an annual trading value of around 125 million renminbi.
Oh wow, so where is this from? What country? Uskoy. Oh, okay. From what country would be this? Meter. So 3 meters. Oh, okay, 3 meters. Okay. Uzbekistan? Oh, okay. Oh, is this from Uzbekistan? Uzbekistan. Nice, nice.
The market has a very long history. It's first mentioned in Chinese history when the famous Chinese explorer Zhang Qian visited Kashgar in 120 BCE. Traders from China would travel along the Silk Road to exchange goods with traders from as far as Persia, Turkey, and Rome in Kashgar. Nowadays, vendors come here to continue the market's tradition to buy, sell, and trade products to people from all over the world.
전부 전시들은 열래 외국 열래欧洲 피조 전부 고자들은 저기 팔래.
A trip to Kashgar just isn't complete without a trip to the market. And tourists who come here make sure to leave with bulging bags of souvenirs and mementos to remember their trip.
So that's skincare Kashgar style, huh? Oh, okay. 这个是什么？
朝阳，
做饭吗？
没有，壮阳的不是壮阳都是。
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. What's this? What is this stuff? What this is? 松茸，什么意思？什么用？
要来包中药来的，中药。
Oh, so this is medicine. So this is medicine. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Cool. Nice. Learn something new every day. Okay.
Trade will always bring people together, and the Kashgar Market is a prime example of how trading leads to more than just a few new rugs and jade, but an exchange of ideas and an incredible experience that won't be forgotten.